seen it last week. I beat Terry. I beat Pitbull. Devontae, Valhalla waits.
This is what I do. And I'm the best at what I do. Do it!
Back again, baby. We back here. About to put another one down here. Taking them to the mall and back. Oh. Remember, man, my yard, my rules. Let's get it.
I've been out there since I was 3 years old. My daddy showed me the ropes on the road.
All right, Wolf, you ready? Adams, you ready? Let's go. Whew. Got a big mouth on you, same as always.
Let's see if you shut it up then. I've beaten you once. I can do it again. Come on. Come
Remember?
on, big boy.
That close.
Okay. We'll get that close again. Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, you learned it, huh? Okay. 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 Ricka thought the same thing last week. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see if you remember some things. Nah. What? Oh, Lord.
Come on.
That's a piece of iron. That's a piece of iron.
Go, Adam, get him off the ropes. Whoa. Whoa.
You want to back him up there?
Let's get out of the ropes.
Houston, we have a problem. All right, come on. Come on, big man. Let's see what you got. Come on. Come on. What you say, bro? Come on.
What you got, Wolf?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
You good, Wolf?
I ain't done with you yet.
Yeah, now.
You trying to be in the predicament I'm in, and you see if you can watch your eyes. Oh, come on, Wolf boy. Let's see what you got. So y'all at home. Come on. It's up.
Go, Wolf, in.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
1, 2,
What?
3,
Come on.
4,
Ah!
5. Watch the throat. 2.
Remember this?
What are you
Tequila, this is the end for you. Move, Ralph. Come on, Ralph. Come on. It's time to end this. I'm sorry, sir, but it's the end for you. Oh, with this hand!
Whoa!
Since I was 3 years old. The ropes on the road.
That's Sue!
Now here
That's
I
Sue! Hey! That's Sue! Pay attention. Don't worry about the psychopath. Keep. I'm coming for you. It's mine, and I'm gonna get it by any means necessary.